Okay, so today I am doing my unboxing, finally, of the Orb of Light palette from Black Moon Cosmetics. I also got a liquid lipstick as well, so I'll show you that too. I've had this package for like 3 days now, and I've just been so busy, and today has been my first day off where I've been able to actually film something. Also, this setup is not going to be my permanent setup, I don't think. We've just been moving things around in the house so that we can make one of the rooms into just like a giant walk-in closet. So this room is becoming the bedroom, and where the bedroom used to be is becoming a giant walk-in closet. So that's why it's different. Anyway, with that all out of the way, let me go on and get into the unboxing. Oh, that's so pretty. I think I have like every Black Moon box I've ever ordered. Oh, yes, and this also came with a free brush. So I think it was like while supplies last. So here's the brush. Oh yeah, I'm super excited about that. Very excited. And then here's the palette. It came bubble wrapped, which is very impressive, and I appreciate. Oh, this is like the outer shell. This isn't the actual package, it's outer shell, but it's almost like snake skin or stone. I guess it's maybe like moon textured. So there's like a little sticker keeping it in here, a little sticker keeping it in there. They were not joking with the security. Wow, they are serious about this. Holy crap. Very well packaged. Holy shit ball. Wow. Oh. Wow. This is nice. I don't think that you guys, that it's gonna pick up how impressive this packaging is. It is not cardboard. I thought it was gonna be like cardboard, like you know, like Kat Von D palettes are made out of like card. This is plastic, heavy plastic, and this is raised. All of this lettering here is raised, and even this. Look at that. What in the hell? Okay, packaging expectations have been exceeded at this point. And then on the back, it does kind of resemble the Kat Von D Beauty layout of shade names. So it's got this little opening here. Open it up. Whoa, this is also really nice, but possibly unnecessary. I mean, it's so nice that I don't want to throw it away, but also what the hell am I gonna do with it? Damn. Look at that. You know, it's very warm in here, and then we've got like some cooler things. So far, I'm very pleased. And this is like, you can, what is the word? Not articulated, but I guess you can articulate it. You can stand it up so it can be a mirror where you're like doing your makeup. So it's not gonna fall. I mean, this is out of the park kind of packaging. I did not, I expected it to be cardboard, and it is not. And I am just so happy about it. On the back, the corresponding name is right behind it. It's not like mirrored or anything. So here we have Black, Wolf, Blood, Harvest, Worm, Cold, Strawberry, and New right up there. I super appreciate that they gave you a lot of this one because it's a, you know, it's a base shade. It's the first thing you're gonna run out of usually if you're a lighter to medium skin tone. Let me swatch these. I guess I'm just gonna do it on the back of my hand. Black. Build that up a little bit. Wolf. Blood. Harvest. It's a very orangey one. That reminds me a lot of Red Brick from MAC. Worm. So mustardy. Looks almost like, almost exactly like Uninterrupted from MAC. Cold. Kind of screwed that one up, but hey. That one I feel like is a pretty good universal eyebrow color. If you have like blonde, ashy blonde hair or mousy brown hair or black hair, you can do a lot with that shade. And then we have Strawberry. Sort of just kind of like a pinky, pink peach transition shade. I don't know if it's really showing up very well on my skin. It's pretty light. There you go. And then we have New. Which, and I mean, they don't seem to be like kicking up a lot, but they seem to be pretty pigmented. And you know, swatches really don't mean too much. This is a dry swatch on the back of my hand. You guys know that in practice and in swatch, things are not equal. So this one's really nice, but it is definitely a dark shade for pale peoples. So that will be something that's probably not going to be on my brow bone ever. It's probably going to be, you know, something that I use for a transition, honestly. Okay, so let's just go in and play around with it a little bit. I did put Urban Decay Primer Potion on my lids earlier, and I set it with, I think, Nude from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just gonna go in and do it. And right now, today I'm wearing like a darker foundation than I normally do. But, so it's actually pretty good. It'll probably match me really well in the summer. But it's basically just like a skin tone shade, which is really good for transitioning. Oh yeah. It's really nice pigment for, especially for having, you know, powder underneath. It's blending out really well. I am loving Worm. The Worm Moon. Okay, so check that out. It's really nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. I mean, this is sort of like Sugar Pill. I wouldn't say that they are behaving like Sugar Pill, but the pigmentation payoff is like Sugar Pill level payoff, which is nice. Wow. Wow, I just want you to see. That is beautiful. And remember, it's not tacky on my eyelid right now. So it's not like these are being like grabbed by some sort of like wet tacky base. They're going over powder that's been there for a while. I feel like I should put on my kitty cat ears because I have not done anything with my hair today. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Worm shade and just go over the edge. Wow, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then I'm just going to sort of repeat that on the bottom. Okay. All right, and there's not as much fall down as one would expect. So there's that eye. I'm gonna do this eye really quick. Okay, so there's that eye done. They might not be completely symmetrical because that's what happens when I do one eye and then the other eye, but you know, whatever, man. I, of course, got too excited about the palette and I forgot to use this brush. I forgot to even look at it. Don't know if you guys can see that sort of rainbow oil slick that it goes down into and then it comes back up. It says Black Moon right there and has a little crescent. So it's really soft feeling and fluffy but firm. So I'm super pissed that I didn't use this, but I feel like maybe I could bring the color down a little bit from my brow. So I'm gonna take Amen, however you want to say it, from the Saint and Center palette and just sort of test this brush out. It's good. Like this brush from MAC, the 227, sorry this one's dirty, it's kind of like that but smaller and fluffier, and when I worked at MAC this was known as the eraser brush. So basically like if you blended something too far you could blend back with it, and I feel like that's kind of what this is reminding me of. And I also got this little guy, which is Libra, I think? Yeah, that's the one I got. Libra. This looks like this. Oh, that's nice. I just wanted something that I could wear with like super crazy eye looks or everyday looks and be neutral and not have it be black. It's like the Urban Decay Concealer Doe Foot. Okay. It reminds me a lot of Velvet Teddy from MAC. Maybe like a little bit pinker. I wonder, I don't know if they were going for that. That's what it reminds me of though. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's my unboxing. And my first impressions are it's really great. Do you need it if you have warm eyeshadows already? Not really, of course, but if you're a collector and you like really nice packaging and you want to support a vegan and cruelty-free independent company made in the USA, I think that you should get it if you want it. Because I was so surprised by this. I did not expect this level of packaging. So that's it, guys. I hope you all are well, and I will see you all in my next video. Here he is. Do you like the new brush, bub? He's not interested because it doesn't smell like animals.